Hello everyone, this is Gabriel Cifuentes from the Career Services, and today I'm going to give you some tips on how to create a proper CV and a professional cover letter. For students, we have three types of CVs. The first one is a skills-based CV. This CV is for students that have no experience or very little, maybe 1 year of experience. The second type of CV is a chronological CV. The chronological CV is for students that have 5, 10 or more years of experience. If this is your case, go for the chronological CV. And the third type of CV is the mixed CV. The mixed CV is for students that have some experience but not more than 5 years of experience. So if you have between 2 and 5 years of experience, you can go for the mixed CV. Another very important aspect to consider before you write your CV is the content. So for any type of CV, you can start with your contact information. So your name, your phone number, your email address, and your address if you would like to add it. Then you can start with a little career objective, a summary, or a profile. This way, you're going to give a little summary of yourself to the company. You can also include your skills and knowledge. So you can add your personal skills and your technical skills. It is very important to also include your education. So you're going to add all the education that you have had. College diplomas, university diplomas if you have. Then you can write your professional experience. So you're going to write the job title that you had, the company that you worked for before, and the years in which you worked for this kind of job. So here we have some examples of the CVs that we just discussed. One of the most important things is that you do not add a picture to your CV here in Canada. So as you guys can see, these three CVs would not work here. You can change and play a little bit with the layout of your CV. Just make sure to keep the right information. Now we're gonna see how to write a cover letter. So in the first paragraph of the cover letter, you're gonna mention the objective of the letter and indicate the target position. In the second paragraph of the cover letter, you're going to present your qualification. So why the employer should hire you instead of other candidates. So in the third paragraph, you're going to demonstrate your knowledge of the company, and also you're going to express your interest in working for this company. Finally, in the fourth and last paragraph, you're going to request an interview, but also you're going to thank the employer for their time and their interest. So here are the tips on how to write a proper CV and a professional cover letter. I hope this guide helps you, and if you would like to have more information or you would like to have some guidance on your CV or your cover letter, you can send us a mail to Career Services, Service Emploi, and we'll be happy to give you all the help on your CV and your cover letter and answer all your questions.